Yes, good afternoon, children. Now today we are going to see another concept of our chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. That is yes. So what is rainbow? The rainbow is the best example of dispersion of sunlight. Rainbow is the best example of dispersion of sunlight. Write down what happens here. Rainbow occurs in the form of concentric colored circular arc like this here. It is an arc here. You can see here in board. It occurs in the form of concentric colored circular arc in the sky. When कब होता है बच्चों ये? When the sun shines on raindrop. When the sun shines on raindrop during or after a shower. बारिश से बाद में जब सनलाइट रेन ड्रॉप पर गिरती है तो दैट रेन ड्रॉप appears as a small prism. When the light falls on that raindrops, we are getting a concentric circular arc in this form. The essential condition, write down, the essential condition for observing a rainbow, the essential condition for observing a rainbow is that observer must stand with his back towards the sun. With his back towards the sun. Suppose I am standing here, so sun is out back to me. ऐसा sun पीछे होगा, so I can see the rainbow here. This is the essential condition for observer. It must stand with his back towards the sun. Write down. So during or after a shower, लिखिए during or after a shower. When a sunlight during or after a shower, a large number of small droplets available in the atmosphere, they act like a small prism. These small droplets acts like a small prism. The sunlight falling on droplets is refracted and dispersed. On passing through them. So it then suffers total internal reflection. TIR. When sunlight falling on a raindrop act like a prism, they get refracted and dispersed, and then after it suffers total internal reflection and finally reflected by the droplet and reaches to our eye, we get rainbow. That rainbow is called primary rainbow. I am just drawing a figure here. See that how the rainbow occurs. Suppose this is our earth and here is our observer. This is our eye. So dear children, the water droplets are something like this here. So these are the water droplets here. Rays from the sun. Here the rays from the sun like this. Coming over here it will get inside after refraction and get reflected again. And we are getting here red color. Similarly, another light, a parallel beam of light is coming. It will get reflected, then again reflected, and we are getting here a violet color. So you are seeing that when the light coming from the sun, parallel rays of light are coming, it will get reflected here. 2 times reflection, it is called total internal reflection. After that we are getting here a circular arc. So TIR occurs at raindrops. So this is the way to find out the rainbow here. Draw this figure. This is our eye. Observer is here. Here is it, my dear children, observer. Draw this. Red color is on the outside of the arc and blue color is on the inside of the arc. Here you can say, here is the red color and here is the violet color in this manner. The red color is on the outside of the arc and violet color is on the inside of the arc. Under favorable condition, a sunlight is very fast, then we can also get a phantom rainbow, that is called secondary rainbow also. This we will discuss in higher classes. This rainbow here, it is called primary rainbow. Okay, so what is rainbow? What is the essential condition of rainbow? Remember it, it's a 2-mark question only. Okay. Now, the last that is we are going to learn here, that is atmospheric reflection. ATM, atmospheric refraction. We are going to learn, my dear children, atmospheric refraction here. We can see in this manner, atmospheric refraction, it is the phenomenon of, likhiye, atmospheric refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light, It is a phenomenon of bending of light on passing through the earth atmosphere. On passing through the earth atmosphere, it is a phenomenon of bending of light passing through the earth atmosphere. As we move above the surface of the earth, जैसे जैसे बच्चों हम above the surface of the earth जाते हैं, ऊपर की ओर जा रहे हैं, density of air goes on decreasing. So upper layer of earth atmosphere are rare compared to the lower. क्यों? जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाएंगे पार्टिकल दूर दूर होते हैं, डस्ट पार्टिकल बहुत कम होते हैं. That medium is called rarer medium. और जो हमारे पास में जो मीडियम है वो डेंसर मीडियम कहलाता है, जिसमें पार्टिकल पास होते हैं. So rarer compared to the lower layer of earth atmosphere. So further I can say the local condition like that of temperature also affect the density of earth atmosphere. Light coming from the star, जो लाइट स्टार से हमारे पास आ रही है, लाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्टार एंड एंटरिंग अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर coming from rarer to the denser medium, so it will bend always towards the normal. it will bend always towards the normal. So my dear children, I can say it suffers multiple reflection. It suffers multiple reflection before coming to earth or before reaching to the earth. Multiple refractions are there. This is called atmospheric refraction. This is called atmospheric refraction. जैसे जैसे पार्ट रेज नीचे आएगी, हर बार वो जिस पार्टिकल से टकराएगी, it will bend towards the normal. That is called atmospheric refraction. Star seems higher than actually it is. Example of atmospheric refractions are star seems higher. Star seems higher than actually it is. Then actually it is. My dear children, suppose here is the observer on earth. This is earth and here is the observer on earth. Observer on earth. Draw this figure. Observer on earth. This is our eye. Suppose a light coming from the star. Suppose this is a star. Say it is the position A. Actual star position it is. Actual star position. Light coming in this manner. Every time when it is coming, it will bend towards the normal. In this manner you can see like this. Finally refracted ray when you go back here. Finally in this manner if you go back you will see that the apparent position of star is little bit higher. So we can say stars are independent source of light. Stars are independent source of light situated very far away from the earth. So light from star travels from rarer to the denser medium. Every time it will get refracted. Here you can see these are the normal. Every time it will get refracted. Okay, when it is coming from rarer to the denser medium. So on producing final refracted ray here. On producing final refracted ray, as shown you, the apparent star position B is little bit higher. Apparent star position B is higher than that of A. Apparent star position B is higher than the actual star position A. Is that clear? This is a very important example. Star seems higher than actually it is. We can see, my dear children, here apparent sunrise and delayed sunset. Apparent sunrise and delayed sunset. लिखिए apparent sunrise and delayed sunset how it is, let us see. Dear children, suppose this is our earth and this is the origin. This is our earth, this is an origin here. Now here the atmosphere is something like this. Observer is here. Here it is observer. We are going to learn advanced sunrise. The rising sun is below the origin. Suppose this is the position of rising sun. Here is the position of rising sun. Light coming from the rising sun enters in the Earth atmosphere here in this manner. When it comes like this, it will get reflected. The light coming from sun enters in Earth's atmosphere. Enters in Earth's atmosphere and reflected like this. When we will go back, we see that the sunshine, rising sun appears before 2 minutes. Here is the position of Earth. Similarly, if I say this is our Earth at the setting time and this is the Earth atmosphere. Now, this is the origin. Here it is the origin. The setting sun is here. Say this is the setting sun. The light coming from setting sun enters into the Earth atmosphere here. It will get reflected and reaches observer is here. Here. When you will go back, you see that the apparent position of the sun is little bit before. So draw these two figures and I am explaining. At the time of sunrise and at the time of sunset, the rising sun appears to come from S1 and setting sun appears to come from S2. Okay, this is S and this is S1. So draw these two figures. बच्चों, the sun appears to rise above origin 2 minutes before it actually is. This is called advanced sunrise, and this advanced sunrise can be explained on the basis of atmospheric refraction. This phenomenon can be explained on the basis of atmospheric refraction. As we move above the surface of the earth, density of air, जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाएंगे, density of air goes on decreasing. Light from the sun, ये देखो यहाँ पर, entering into the earth atmosphere, जब light sun से आ रही है, earth atmosphere में आएगी, so it is coming through and rarer to the denser medium. It is coming from rarer to the denser medium, bending towards the normal. The sun S, which is still below from the origin, the sun S still below from the origin, appears to rise from S1, just above the origin. The difference involved here is 2 minutes. 2 minutes पहले दिखाई देता है हमारे को यहाँ पर. Similarly, at this time, sun S, which is already gone just below the origin, यहाँ पर appears to come from S2 above the origin due to atmospheric refraction. Due to atmospheric refraction. Okay? The difference again here is 2 minutes. The sun appears to set 2 minutes later. तो सुबह 2 मिनट पहले हो रहा है, 2 मिनट जल्दी राइज हो रहा है, शाम को 2 मिनट लेट सेट हो रहा है. तो टोटल डिफरेंस हियर इट इज 4 minutes. So my dear children, I can say the length of each day increases. The length of each day increases by 4 minutes. लिख लो. The length of each day increases by 4 minutes on account of atmospheric refraction. If suppose Earth had no atmosphere, तो ये phenomenon नहीं होगा. If Earth had no atmosphere, this phenomenon will not occur. Some more examples you can see and learn. लिखिए one more example. Sun appears. ये दोनों आप पढ़ेंगे यार, नहीं आएगा तो मुझसे पूछेंगे कल. लिखो sun appears oval. Sun appears oval at sunrise and sunset. At sunrise and sunset. Sunrise and sunset. Sun appears oval or flattened at sunrise or sunset, but appears circular at noon. But appears circular at noon. ये कल पूछूंगा मैं आपसे. Why? It is due to atmospheric refraction. One more example is here. Application. Star twinkle, planet do not. Star twinkle, but planet do not. Star twinkle, but planet do not. Okay? It is also due to atmospheric refraction. ये दोनों आज आप पढ़ेंगे. If you cannot get the answer, contact me by tomorrow. Is that clear? Write down. So these are the 4 applications of atmospheric refraction. Star seems little bit of higher than actually it is. Then this example, then third and fourth. Tomorrow we will discuss scattering of light. Is that clear? Buy and do it in proper manner. Is it any problem? Then ask. Yes. Okay. Daksh, Rahul.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Send me the attendance. Okay. Daksh.